Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we have some exciting news from both Apple and Samsung. Apple just dropped a special edition iPhone for $599 and the internet is divided. Meanwhile, Samsung is gearing up to launch the Galaxy A56 and we've got our first look at live images of the device. Let's dive into the details. First off, let's talk about Apple's new iPhone Special Edition. Priced at $599, it's being hailed as a more affordable option for those looking to join the iPhone ecosystem. However, some fans are feeling underwhelmed, calling it just another recycled design with no real innovation. Where do you stand? Are you on Team Yes for a budget iPhone at last, or Team Apple, you can do better? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's shift our focus to Samsung. The Galaxy A56 has been spotted in certification listings, signaling an imminent launch. Unlike Apple's approach with the iPhone 16e, Samsung is bringing back a familiar yet refreshed camera design that feels like a breath of fresh air. It's an interesting contrast to Apple's strategy, as Samsung is not just reusing old designs but is also introducing real hardware upgrades. The Galaxy A56 will ship with One UI 7.0, Samsung's latest software update, which promises a seamless user experience. This combination of fresh design and meaningful improvements while keeping it budget-friendly is certainly making waves. Samsung is working on 3 new Galaxy A series phones: the Galaxy A56, Galaxy A36, and Galaxy A26. These devices have already been spotted on certification websites and benchmarking platforms. Recently, Samsung confirmed the Galaxy A26 by making its support page live, but there was no official confirmation for the A56 and A36. Until now, Samsung has listed all 3 phones on its official website in Chile, specifically on a page for out-of-warranty repairs. This includes the retail names and model numbers, confirming that they will launch in Chile soon. Since Samsung listed all 3 phones at the same time, it's likely they will launch together, similar to how the Galaxy A55 and A35 were released together. Rumors suggest they could be launched as early as next month. So there you have it. The Samsung Galaxy A56 and its siblings are shaping up to be exciting additions to the mid-range market. With Samsung's focus on innovation and affordability, it's clear they're taking a different approach compared to Apple's more conservative strategy. What are your thoughts on these developments? Are you more excited about Samsung's new offerings or Apple's special edition iPhone? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech news and updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.